Hi guys, my name is Cal and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to discuss about 10 features of Windows 10. So we know naman nowadays Windows 10 or Microsoft Windows is most commonly used operating system sa panahon natin ngayon. So mag-list down ako ng 10 mga bagay or features para sa akin na the best kapag ginagamit natin ang Windows 10. So without further ado, let's start with the start button. So when you click on the start button, at the bottom left of the screen, you get two panels side by side with the left column showing things and recently most used app. So sobrang useful siya kasi makikita mo agad yung mga lagi mong ginagamit na apps. So the right column naman features a selection of live tiles that you can customize, resize, and organize. Not only that, but the search field at the bottom will look up related internet results in addition to programs and files, which is nakikita rin natin sa Windows 7 na kapag nag-search ka doon sa search box, hindi lang ilalabas yung files doon sa loob ng Windows, kundi pwede rin siyang diretso maka-search sa internet. So even better, you can have start menu expand to full screen whenever you want it, eliminating the need for a modern UI start screen. So yan ang una natin para sa 10 best features of Windows 10. Next is Cortana. So kapag kiniklik ko yung Cortana sa desktop ko, since nandito ako sa Philippines, ang sabi, hindi available ang Cortana sa Windows 10 sa region ko. But, amazingly, nakala ko sa cellphone ko lang siya nagagawa, like makipag-usap sa phone mo, but this Cortana on desktop sa Windows 10, it just get a lot easier. So, Windows 10 will bring Microsoft voice-controlled digital Cortana to desktop computers to make it easier for us to interact with our device without lifting a finger. So you will be able to search your hard drive for specific files, pull up photos from specific dates, or launch PowerPoint presentation by just telling to your PC using Cortana. So I think yun ang isa sa mga the best para sa akin. So hindi mo lang siya magagawa sa Android, kundi kayang-kaya mo rin siya gawin sa Windows 10 kahit hindi ko pa siya na-experience. So imagine na lang kapag nagagamit ko pa siya. So super convenient and useful siya. So next natin is ang Xbox app. So hindi ko pa rin siya personally nagagamit, pero kung titingnan natin yung feature nito, pwede siya para sa gamer talaga. And this Windows 10 will support Xbox game streaming through your home network, and which is good, with improved speed and graphics performance. And syempre, salamat sa DirectX support. And the app also lets you record, edit, and share your fragging victories with the game DVR feature. So, pag feeling mo gusto mo ipagyabang yung moment na nanalo ka at yung pinaka-scene na nanalo ka, pwede. Which lets you grab the previous 30 seconds of your game so you don't miss unexpected wins. So you'll be able to join your friends in-game across Windows 10 or the Xbox platforms na rin, and see your friends' activity via Xbox Live. Yun. So next natin is yung Project Spartan browser. So let's forget Internet Explorer. The long-derided browser will be replaced by the newly announced Project Spartan. So new features include PDF support na kailangan natin mga students, a reading mode that improves the layout of long articles, and a new note-taking feature. So the latter lets you scribble on any page and share your comments with your friends through social networks via slide-in menu, so you won't have to leave the browser. And better yet, Project Spartan will feature Cortana support within the browser, so she can pull contextual information from the sites you're on to do things like navigate to a restaurant you're looking up or pull up an upcoming flight time without having to go into your email. So super convenient ng browser na to, I think. Although hindi ko pa siya nagagamit, pero sa pag-research ko, I think this is really convenient and useful para sa ating lahat. Panglima, so we have the improved multitasking. So this multiple desktop feature lets you run another set of windows as if on another screen, but without the physical monitor. So hindi mo kailangan ng dalawang monitor. So makakapag-run ka ng another set of windows kahit sa isang monitor lang. So this is similar to Apple's Spaces features on OS X and help you manage your multitude of open windows and apps. So instead of having multiple windows open on top of each other on one desktop, you can set up a whole other virtual desktop for those programs to reside in. And next natin is universal apps. So to make the transition across devices more seamless, Microsoft is introducing this category of software called universal apps, which use the same code but adapt their interface to the device in your hand. So the company, or Microsoft, is also bundling its own set of universal apps with the OS, including mga photos natin, videos, music, maps, people, and messaging, and mail and calendar, which all function the same way on tablets, sa phones, at sa computer. So some of these apps, such as Photos, are brand new. Photos will pull your images across your PC and mobile devices and organize, enhance, and sync them through OneDrive. So the system even detects duplicates and stores just one copy of the same image. So kapag may mga doble-doble image, kaya niya ma-detect yung mga duplicates na yun. And can automatically create good-looking albums for you. So the Mail app has also been overhauled and will now be a version of Outlook. So complete with an editor based on Microsoft Word. So next natin is Office apps get touch support. So yung mga touchscreen natin. So for this one, for the Office apps, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook will provide a touch-first interface across phones, tablets, and PCs. So persistent function ribbon at the top of the apps is now an app bar that shows up only when you need it. So in Outlook, you'll now be able to delete messages from your inbox by swiping each entry to the left. So swiping to the right flags that message. The apps will look and perform the same way on a PC as they do on a mobile device for a more coherent experience. So that is for the Office apps. Get touch support. And next natin is ang continuum. So, ano nga ba yung continuum? So, with the rise of hybrid laptop tablet devices, Microsoft wants to make it easier to switch between either mode, maybe tablet mode or PC mode. The system will detect if you have plugged in a keyboard or mouse and switch modes for more convenient interaction. So if you remove the keyboard or yung mouse mo, a notification will pop up from the taskbar at the bottom part, so asking if you want to activate the tablet mode. When you do, you are greeted with a more touch-friendly profile. So dock your tablet into the keyboard again, and you'll receive the same prompt, this time asking if you want to exit the tablet mode. So, yun yung para sa ating continuum. And second to the last feature is ang ating Action Center. So, Windows 10 will provide a new way to look at all your notifications in one place. So, the Action Center appears to replace the Charms menu that slides in from the right on Windows devices. So that yon. It collects alerts from your device from all your apps. So similar to the notifications drawers in iOS and Android. So depending on the app, you can also respond or react from this panel itself. So with each notification expanding to show more actions, the Action Center also offers a quick way to toggle connectivity options and other settings such as display, brightness, and contrast. So, last but not the least sa feature natin sa Windows 10 is yung unified settings or yung tinatawag nating control panel. So instead of having two apps to control your device settings, the control panel and PC settings, so Microsoft is making things less confusing by bringing them together in one. So you'll be able to manage your device from one place instead of hunting for a specific menu. So we expect more features pa to be announced as Microsoft gets closer to publicly releasing Windows 10. So, kailangan na natin magantay ng mga bago pang features ng Windows 10. So, again, disclaimer. So, lahat ng mga features na nabanggit ko ay para sa akin lang, which is best para sa akin kapag gumagamit tayo ng Windows 10. So, I think that's all for today. So, we have the 10 Windows feature that is best for me. And ulitin natin. Ang una is yung Start menu. And pangalawa is yung Cortana. And pangatlo, Xbox app para sa mga gamers. At pang-apat, yung Project Spartan browser. Pang-lima, improved multitasking ng Windows 10. At pang-anim, yung mga universal apps na pwede natin gamitin sa Windows 10. And pang-pito, Office apps get touch support. And number 8, Continuum. 9, Action Center. And 10, Unified Settings or yung tinatawag natin Control Panel. So, that's all for today. So, I hope you enjoy watching and may natutunan din kayo at magagamit nyo rin yung Windows 10 sa mga bahay nyo. So, thank you guys. So, have a great day ahead.